Hello, Miriam Freer here from ENJO UK with Miriam Freer, and today we're going to discuss the multi-tool from ENJO. You might notice that the handle of it looks familiar, and if so, if you have a combiwiper already, then that already gives you the base for the multi-tool. This is amazing for doing my windows. I use it on all sorts of places, and also it comes with a bathroom sleeve, and I use that on my shower. So if I take those sleeves off though, you can see, and I'll take the blade off as well, you can see that there is two extension pieces on either side of my combiwiper, and over here it says push. So if I do that, then the ends come off, and that gives you the basis then for your multi-tool. So if I take this off, it's easier to do it on a hard surface to push back on. You will see there's my 16 centimetre base, and this is the base for the multi-tool. So I just need to pop that in, push it in, all right, on either side, and then there is the base for me to use. What we also really like about it, and what enables us to do floors and walls and ceilings, is that this will then tilt all the way. So it gives you a really good basis of flexibility. And here are some fibres that you can use. So the dust fibre, I use that on the floor and the walls and the ceiling. We've got a comb ceiling, and it just enables me to get all the way up for that. We have a bathroom fibre, brilliant for doing the walls in here, the backboard. And then we also have a soft and a strong fibre. So let's just see how it works. I can use it on its own, as I said, and I use this one quite a lot because we get lots of stuff on our walls. I've got scrubbable paint all the way round, but it enables me just to get the marks off the walls, and you'll see that there's a little tag here. So I just pull that out, and it enables it to settle onto my wiper, and then I can just make this one damp, and I use it a lot just for taking off the marks on my walls. All right, so brilliant for that. And if it's a stronger mark, if it's deeper, then I would use my strong fibre. We get a lot of scuff marks in on the paint. And then I can also use my dusty one up high because it's very light. So we've said to you in the past, and I have used in the past, my floor system for doing that, but it's heavier to manipulate. But this one just enables me to get up nice and easily. But you can see the difference in the foot plate. And so for smaller spaces, this is also ideal for doing our floors. And I can use the same fibre actually, because it's not too soiled in here. So here at the top of the combiwiper, you can see there's a D-clip. So you just push on either side. This comes off. This is exactly the same way that I would be using this outside to enable me to reach up high places. And if you have a look at your floor pole, you can see that there's a hole in the middle. So those two align in my floor base, and when I can see all the way through over here, then I can pop my clip back through. Right, so now you can really see the benefit of how you can reach up. So if I just take you up here, all right, if I've got dirt on my ceiling or dust, same idea, just that I can move all the way very easily, all the way about, to be able to deal with that. And then if I show you on my floor, and on my floor, I've got a very small bathroom next door as well, and I would usually use the dusty one. And what I really love about it is it will enable me to get all the way around the back of the loo and be able to get to there. So if I just take you down, all right, so I've just got the same sort of idea as before. Goodness only knows what we're going to find in here, all right, but just perfect for me for getting all the way around my loo. and in and out, and then no doubt a whole heap of dirt on the bottom of there. So this might be a really helpful addition for you because of the versatility, and some people would be using the soft fibre on high gloss units at the bottom of the kitchen for where maybe you've got animals that snuffle along, so that's really helpful for it. I've been using this on the top of my skirting boards, either with this damp dust fibre or with the dust fibre itself. And as I said, you have a bathroom fibre and a strong one as well, which I also use with the blade for my veloxes. So a little look at our new multi-tool. Lots of uses all around the home. Caravans, outside, I use it on the floor of my camper with the stronger fibre as well. So maybe this is something that you would like to add into your ENJO collection.